September was a strong quarter for Montaka, and in this quarterly video, we'll look at some of the powerful themes underpinning the portfolio and driving superior long-term compounding in the funds. Many of our underlying investment themes are not particularly new, but they are highly reliable and they're enduring. For example, the ongoing shift in commerce to digital channels. It's been around for the last 2 decades, yet today e-commerce accounts for less than 20% of retail sales in the US and just 25% in China. And we continue to see significant innovation and investment by Facebook, Amazon, Alphabet, Tencent and Alibaba as they create the tools required for businesses to execute effective marketing campaigns more easily. And they're investing to make the consumer transaction experience more seamless and enjoyable too. And this means that these businesses are set to win by bringing more commerce online, and there's tremendous runway ahead for them. We're also seeing tremendous opportunity as US sports betting comes online. Flutter Entertainment, owner of the FanDuel brand in the US, is a long-term winner from this trend. Online sports betting remains in its infancy in the US, but it's expanding extraordinarily quickly, and FanDuel is the undisputed leader with 45% share of that market. Our analyst Lockie Mackay provides an important case study on our investment in Flutter that you can find in our quarterly letter. These examples show that older, reliable themes often spawn valuable new iterations that can be overlooked by investors. Broader commerce shifting online has given way to sports gambling over the internet. And while we're seeing the world's largest corporates and governments continue to shift their computing to the cloud, at the same time, machine learning models are being built into nearly all new applications by software developers. We'll have more to say about this valuable new iteration of an older theme in our upcoming white paper very soon. Still, the shift to cloud computing has a long way to go, and the trend has re-accelerated as organisations have raced to digitally transform since the start of the pandemic last year. For example, Salesforce, the pioneer of the software as a service model, and a portfolio holding of ours, recently upgraded its total addressable market by another $40 billion to $248 billion by 2025. And they've also guided to profit margins that are 2 to 3 times higher than its current levels. Similarly, in the world of asset management, the hunt for yield is not a new story. The US 10-year government bond yield has been at or below 3% for the last decade. What is new are the powerful investment platforms that have been built by Blackstone, KKR and Carlyle. And they have advantages in scale, deal flow and talent attraction that have attracted over $1 trillion in assets and rapid earnings growth, and they drive a flywheel to extend their advantages further. We're happily holding all 3 of them in the portfolio today. The core investment themes that underpin our portfolio are highly reliable in nature, and we take comfort in knowing that they'll continue to play out slowly but surely over the long term against the backdrop of an uncertain world in the short term. In September, there were several global macro and geopolitical developments that unsettled equity markets. From the Fed indicating it will soon begin to tighten its monetary policy, to uncertainties around US fiscal spending and the ludicrous risk of the government failing to raise its debt ceiling, China Evergrande Group failing to meet its bond coupon payments, and the general election in Germany that will likely result in a somewhat dysfunctional and unstable government, just to name a few. Without taking a view on how these issues will resolve themselves, it's clear that they can create near-term uncertainty. So what are investors to do? Our answer is to maintain a long-term perspective by investing behind the winners in reliable themes. So through this lens, it should be unsurprising that the portfolio was largely unchanged through the quarter. In response to the recent share price weakness that many of China's technology leaders have experienced, we took the opportunity to add to positions in Tencent and Alibaba, and we added a very small position in Moderna. Away from the portfolio, Montaka's business continues to grow, with the addition of several non-investment personnel over recent months. Justin Bradshaw joins us as Montaka's Operations Manager. Giles Goodwill joins us as Montaka's Private Client Manager. And Gerson Chavez joins us as Montaka's Marketing Coordinator. We welcome Justin, Giles and Gerson to the Montaka family. Our finance, operations and distribution team is enormously important. This team ensures the smooth and accurate operations of all of our funds, our systems, communications and processes. and they provide you with a channel to access relevant information, to ask questions, and to provide feedback. Finally, I want to take this opportunity to thank you, our clients, for your ongoing trust and partnership in Montaka's investment journey. It's our great privilege to help protect and to grow your capital right alongside our own over the long term. So that's all for now. I look forward to updating you again next quarter. Thank you. Goodbye.